Hi guys, welcome back again. And today we are going to know how to install Android Studio on our Windows machine or the Mac, whatever the machine you have on it. Okay. First, go to the Google Chrome and open the Google and type Android Studio and click on the first link that is the download Android Studio, and it will automatically choose your um, OS. Mine is Windows 64-bit. So click on the download. I already installed it. I already download the this package, and here you can see that Android Studio 3.1.2 version. Click on it. After downloading it, it will take some time while installing. Here you can see that there is a open prompt here. Click on the next. Click on the next and choose your directory where you want to store your all the Android Studio files. I want to choose this program files here. Click on the next and click on the install it, and it will take some time in order to extract the all packages inside the Android Studio. Okay, then click on the next and click finish and start the Android Studio. It will automatically start the Android Studio. Just wait some time. Okay, sorry. So you can see that there is no SDK found here. You must download it here. So click on the next, and you want to download all these platforms here, SDK platform. You need to check this option also. It will comes within this folder, and you can see that it will automatically check the SDK locations where do you want to download it. So click on the next. It will install all these packages under emulator and SDK tool builds, SDK 31 platform, and you can see that SDK patches. Okay, click on the finish. It will download all the files which is required for the Android Studio in order to build the apps, in order to build the Android apps. Okay, so for building the Android apps, you need SDK, that is the software development kit. It will take some more time. If you have good internet connection, it will take less time. If you don't have good internet connection, it will take some more time. Okay, I'll skip this part, and after downloading I will show you. Okay. Okay, the round is completed. Click on the finish. Okay, it will show my previous projects here. Oops. Plugins, click on the plugins, and you need to install. If you want to work on the Flutter, you need to install the Flutter. If you want to work on the Kotlin, you must need to require the Kotlin file. So you can must require the Kotlin if you want to work on the Kotlin, and materials, whatever the design you want for the theme changes. So okay, and click on this settings icon here. Wait, click on this setting icon. Okay, here the SDK manager. So click on the SDK manager, and here you can see that there is only Android 12 version is installed in this Android Studio. If you want to install this some other versions of Android versions, you can go through this SDK platform and install it. And you need the SDK tools. I think Android command line tools. Where is it? Here. You need to require this one if you want to work on the Flutter and NDK Note. And if you want to work on the Google APIs, go through and install this one. Okay. If you want anything, if you want to work on this 32-bit emulator, go through it and click on the SDK updates. Here you can see that latest updates from this URLs. Click on that install. I want to download this file. So pretty much like this. So install the required things after downloading it. So I'll just cancel it. I'll download it later. So after downloading it, click on the new project. You can see that Flutter. If you don't install the Flutter, if you see that Flutter, because I installed it in my plugins. You can see that. Okay, click on the new project. If you want to compose, this is the latest design theme, which is only for the designing by the code itself. No need to require the XML. Okay, only composing activity, Jetpack Compose. And if you want to go through for the first time, go to the empty activity. Okay, there is a lot of activities here. Okay, click on the next. I'll choose empty and give your whatever your application name, your package name, your language, you want the Kotlin or Java, or your minimum SDK version. What is the least version of your least version of Android version you want to download it. I'll choose minimum version is 5.1 is the lollipop version. Okay, and this is the way you can download it. This is the requirement. This is how you can download it, the Android Studio, in your laptop. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you want to more videos like this, please click on the thumbs up and click on the subscribe and stay tuned on this channel. Okay, bye bye, see you later.